Now Earth is the third planet increasing distance from the Sun. So we know that Earth is a planet where life is possible because there are some circumstances or conditions due to which life is possible on that planet, and the other planet they do not have that conditions. Let us first discuss about the conditions which is essential for the life, that is presence of atmosphere. We know that atmosphere is the shield of earth because it protects us from the ultraviolet rays, and presence of water. Water is very essential for the life form. So here we know that on earth there is water, lots of water, and the right size and the right distance from the sun. So it is possible to live on the earth because we get the right solar energy and light heat from the sun, and we have atmosphere that protect us from ultraviolet rays. And we know the surface of the earth appear flat because we are it is very large in size, so we feel that we move on the flat surface, look like spherical blue and green spherical ball. Earth is look like a spherical ball which appear green due to the plants and blue due to the water. Sometimes referred to as the blue planet. It is also called as the blue planet. And there are two terms, that is rotation and revolution. We know that all the planets revolve around the sun. So earth is also a planet and earth is also revolve around the sun. I will discuss the rotation and revolution through the picture. So let us see the picture. In this picture, sun is the central part of the solar system. We know that all the planets revolve around the sun, and earth is also a planet and it also revolve around the, these are the orbit in which they revolve around the sun. These are the orbit, that means path. This is Mercury, is also revolve around the sun. Sun is the central part of the, just imagine this is the earth and this is the example of earth. This spin on their own axis. This is called rotation, and spinning and moving, spinning and moving. This is called revolution. It spin on its own axis like this. Own axis means like this, spin on this own axis. This is called rotation, and earth complete one rotation in 24 hours, due to which day and night appear. And in the revolution, it revolve around the sun. It take 365 days in one revolution, due to which change of season appear. Rotation in 24 hours and revolution 365 days. And due to rotation day and night appear, and due to revolution season, change of season appear. Rotation means when earth move around its own axis is called rotation. It take 24 hours, and when revolve around the sun, this is called revolution. It will take 365 days. Now my dear student, next member of the solar system is Mars, that is Mangal. Almost half size of the earth, and atmosphere is much thinner than the earth. It appear to be red, so it is called red planet. And Mercury, Venus and Mars, they are alike earth, and they are made up of rock and metals, so they are also called terrestrial, means earth like planets. But there is no life on Mercury, Venus and Mars because they don't have water on that planet, because they don't have atmosphere like earth, and don't have water. So there is no life on Mercury, Venus and Mars, but they are structurally similar to the earth, so they are called terrestrial planets.